Hello children, welcome back to science class. Yes, we were studying saving the environment. Okay, and children, what we had learned in the last class? Yes, effects of air pollution. What were the effects of air pollution? Yes, it can cause respiratory diseases and it can also cause acid rain. Okay, then what are the effects of water pollution? Yes, it can cause us which all types of diseases? Yes, typhoid, diarrhea, and dysentery. Then it can also affect aquatic life, means aquatic plants and animals. Which are aquatic plants and animals? Yes, the plants and animals living in water. Okay, then now we studied about effects of land pollution. What are the effects of land pollution? Yes, the germs breed in waste and spread the diseases through animals. Okay, and it can also pollute underground water. Okay, it can also pollute underground water. Okay, then we studied about biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. What are biodegradable wastes? Yes, the waste which rot and mix with the soil. Okay, biodegradable wastes are the wastes which rot and mix with the soil. Okay, and we studied about many examples. Yes, which are the examples? Yes, fruit wastes, then vegetable wastes, food wastes. Yes, animal dung. Okay, these all are biodegradable waste. Then some more are there. What are they? Paper, pencil shavings. Okay, this all we had discussed in the last class. Okay, then we studied about non-biodegradable wastes. Okay, what are non-biodegradable wastes? Okay, children, tell me. Yes, they are the wastes which do not rot and mix with the soil. Okay, non-biodegradable wastes are the wastes which do not rot and mix with the soil. And which are the examples? Yes, which are the examples? Yes, plastics, glass, yes, metals. Then, yes, these all are the non-biodegradable wastes. Okay, children. Now we studied about the disposal of biodegradable and non-biodegradable wastes. First of all, we studied about disposal of biodegradable wastes. Okay, so how can we dispose them? First of all, we discussed about we can make compost. What is it? Compost. What is compost? Yes, we can make manure for plants. Okay, we can how we can make? By putting waste and soil in layers, and after 2-3 weeks what we will get? We can get very good manure which can provide much more minerals for the proper growth of the plants. Okay, and we can also make gobar gas. How can we make gobar gas? Yes, by using animal dung. Okay, and after some days what will happen, children? This animal dung start getting rot and it will produce some types of gases. This gas is called gobar gas, which can be used as a fuel. Okay, and then we studied about disposal of non-biodegradable wastes. Okay, so how can we dispose this type of non-biodegradable waste? Yes, yes, we can recycle them. Okay, we can recycle the non-biodegradable waste, and we can reuse some of the non-biodegradable waste, just like glass bottles. Okay, glass bottles, then metal bottles. Okay, this all can be reused. We can use them for doing some other works. Okay, and we can reduce. What is the meaning of reduce? Children, reducing the amount of waste produced. How can we do that? Yes, we can use the things again and again. Then if some things are, yes, if it is damaged also, we can repair and use it. Thus we can reduce the waste produced. Okay, and children, so today we can study about how you can protect our environment, or how can you help in protecting our environment. Okay, children, for protecting our environment from your part, what all things you can do for protecting our environment? Okay, see what all things you can do. Can you tell me some points? Yes, yes, correct. You can plant some trees. Okay, help to plant more trees. For what purpose we can plant more trees? You know, for what purpose we can plant much more trees? Yes, for cleaning our environment. Okay, so you know, you studied trees can clean our air. Okay, trees are cleaning our air. Okay, and see children, so what the tree is doing here? Trees are taking in carbon dioxide. They are absorbing carbon dioxide for preparing food. You know, we studied by the process called photosynthesis. They are preparing their food. For that process, what do they need? Yes, they need carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide they are taking from the environment, from our atmosphere. And after photosynthesis, okay, they will produce oxygen. They will produce oxygen, which will be released into the atmosphere. Okay, this is how the trees are cleaning the air. Okay, so trees clean the air, so you should plant much more trees. Okay, and second one, travel short distances on foot or on a bicycle and save fuel. You know children, if you are traveling to short distances and all, you can walk. Okay, you can walk instead of using car, then other types of vehicles. Okay, or at least you can use a bicycle. You know children, bicycle is not using any types of fuel. By pedaling, we can pedal. It's a very good exercise also children. Okay, so you can pedal and you can move to some places which is almost near to you. Okay, so instead of using car, you know, in car, buses and all, they are using much more fuel. Which all fuels are they using? Yes, petrol, then diesel. Okay, these all fuels are using. So to save that fuel, what can we do? We can use bicycle, or you can walk from one place to another place if it is a short distance. Okay, so this is how you can save your environment. You know children, by burning petrol and diesel, much more vehicles are running by using these fuels. Okay, while running at that time, the fuels will be burned and they are producing much more, yes, polluted gases. Some poisonous gases are evolving out by the vehicles while burning the fuel. Okay, so that also can be reduced by walking or by riding the bicycle to the short distances. Okay, and now do not throw the things away when they become slightly damaged. Okay, so children, it's a common practice. What is a common practice? When it is damaged slightly, what will happen? The people will throw it away and they will make it as waste. So children, see here, suppose here one shoe is there. Shoe is torn a little. Okay, so instead of throwing it away, you can repair and use it. Okay, thus we can reduce the amount of waste produced. And here you can see this bag is a little bit damaged it is. Okay, if we can repair and use it again. Okay, and here children, here this shirt, it is torn a little, the back side it is torn a little. If we stitch it, we can repair it and use it. Now we can tell about here one chair. Okay, this chair is broken, and instead of throwing this chair away, we can repair and use it again. Okay, and here children, here are so many types of furniture. In this without repairing, what did they do? They thrown it away. Children, now see, much more waste are produced. So instead of throwing them away, we can repair and use them again. Okay, now children, here we can send them for recycling. What is recycling? We can make, yes, we can make new things from the old things. Okay, and thus by recycling, what all things we can save? We can save much more energy. In factories, they are using much more energy for making new things. Okay, so if they make this new things from old things, they can save energy, and we can reduce the amount of waste released from the factories and industries. Okay, so we can send this waste for recycling. Okay, now see children, one more thing you can do. If you do not want any things which is there with you, you can give it to some other people who needs it. See here, they are giving so many types of things to the poor people. That people, they do not have any, okay, dress items, bags, everything you can give to the people, those who need it, especially for the poor people. Okay, instead of putting them in the waste basket. Okay, children, thus we can reduce the amount of waste produced at your home. Okay, and see children, next point it is avoid using things made of plastic. Children, plastic is not at all a good thing for us. It is polluting our environment. See, we should not use plastic. Instead of plastic, what can we use? You can use cloth bags. What is it? Cloth bags, then jute bags. Okay, these all bags can be used while going to the shops and all. Okay, when going for shopping, right? So at that time you can use, instead of plastic bags, you can use cloth bags. Okay, cloth bag. Yes, now children, for planting, okay, for planting you can use some types of paper containers instead of plastic containers for planting. Okay, here you can see some, yes, paper pot. Okay, and here children, you can see here bottle. This bottle is made up of wood. See, wooden bottle. This wooden bottle, if we use this type of wooden bottle, which is environment friendly. Okay, so you should not use plastic bottles. Okay, instead of plastic bottles, we can use wooden bottle or steel bottle, okay, which we can use again and again. Okay, so thus we should reduce using plastics. Okay, then now children, here you can see some types of straws which is made from grasses. See, yes, green colored straws which is made from different types of grasses. Okay, actually usually we are making this straw by using plastic, right? But here it is made by, yes, grass. What is grass? You know children, it's a natural thing. Okay, and which will get decomposed, or they are biodegradable things. Okay, and here you can see children, then paper straws also they made, which are also biodegradable. After use we can put in the soil, then also it can rot and mix with the soil. Okay, and here children, one more thing is, we can carry a cloth bag when you go to shops and all. Okay, for shopping you can use, yes, cloth bag. See here, so you can carry the things, and sometimes from the shops they will give us plastic bags. You should tell them, we do not want any plastic bags, I brought my cloth bag with me. Okay, you tell them, so you can get all the things in that cloth bag, which we can use again and again. We can wash and use them again and again. Okay, see here. Okay, they used which type of bags? Cloth bags. Okay, and children, okay, and you should not use any plastic boxes for yes, keeping the food items. Okay, should not keep any food items in plastic boxes. It is not at all good for us. Okay, and see, we can use steel dabbas. Okay, steel with tiffin boxes and all. Okay, containers, steel containers, glass containers and all we can use, but we should not use plastic containers or plastic boxes, because plastic is not at all good for our health. Okay, and children, this is how you can reduce the amount of waste produced. Okay, so what all things we told today? How can you help to protect our environment? Okay, which all things you can do for protecting our environment? Yes, tell me. Yes. Yes, what all points we studied today? Yes. You can plant more trees. Okay, you should help to plant more trees. Then you can travel short distances on foot or on a bicycle. And next, do not throw things away when they become slightly damaged. Okay, and here instead of that, what you should do? You should repair, or you should mend and use them again. Okay, and then we told about we should avoid using the things which are made of plastics. Okay, we should not use any plastic things. Okay, because plastics can make much more pollution to our environment. Then you can use cloth bags when you go shopping. Okay, you can carry cloth bag for shopping. Okay, so these all are the points to be remembered. Means the things that you can do to protect our environment. Okay, children, so this lesson is over. Okay, so we can study, we can take the next lesson in the next class. Okay, children. Okay, children, bye then. Bye. Thank you.